Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use video templates on CapCut. So go to CapCut.com and log in using like your email or whatever there is available. Just go to the home page or go to templates. It's going to be on the home page anyways. Select the template that you want to use. Select use this template. To replace the video, you are just going to select replace. You can even batch replace it. I'm just going to batch replace it. So it's actually, I'm just going to replace it one by one. So select replace. Select the video that you want to use. And let it upload to CapCut. And you're going to do the same for everything. I think I'm going to switch these around. There we go. You can even change the text here. So this is a macaron dessert. This is coffee. So I'm just going to type that in. You can adjust the others, but I'm just going to leave it. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!